I'm Kieran South.
Callum Davies.
Francois Pandolfo.
Joe Tweedo.
Hannah McPike.
My name is James Evan.
Alexandria Riley.
I'm Ellen.
My name is Ellen Phillips and I am a part of the cast of the Sherman Theatre's production of Alice in Wonderland this Christmas.
So Alice in Wonderland is bonkers.
What can I say? I can't give it away.
Alice in Wonderland, in our version, is about a young girl called Alice who is trying to figure out who she is.
Alice, throughout the entire show, goes through this huge journey about trying to be the best at everything, the best at school, the best at home.
We start off in sort of real world, reality, Alice's world, and then we go into Wonderland.
I think there are a lot of really funny characters in this show.
I'm playing Tweedledee to Alexandria Riley's Tweedledum.
But they're really fun, they're playful, and I think they just represent young people and, well, people in general who kind of get overlooked and have a lot more potential than people give them credit for.
We're going to be quite surprised with what, how Tweedledee and Tweedledum are going to be portrayed, but I won't say too much because it's going to be a surprise.
The White Rabbit is essentially Alice's teacher, who she imagines as a rabbit in Wonderland. And he's a bit anxious all the time. He's very scatty. He's all over the place. He's always worried about time and whether or not he's going to get to the Queen on time with the tarts.
I'm playing the head teacher and the Queen of Hearts.
I play Alice's dad and the Duchess.
Mad Hatter and Harry as well. So Harry is a character, one of Alice's friends in school.
Cheshire Cat is a bit of a wind-up merchant.
My character is the Dormouse, and I play one of Alice's friends, but I slowly turn into the Dormouse. And I'm really just sleepy all the time, and I really try to teach Alice to slow down and to see the bigger picture.
It's going to be a real spectacle. It's got a real good positive message about being yourself.
It's meant quite a lot throughout this whole journey. Every day I'm learning more about myself and Alice together, so it's nice.
One big learning curve, I think.
Lucy Rivers has written just an extraordinary score, which is played and sung live by the entire cast.
It's full of kind of really wacky and interesting melodies.
That will have you singing all the way home.
So it's quite a music-heavy show, which is great for me as a musician.
Every character sort of has music tailored to them, so you really get a sense of their personality and why they're there through the music.
A bit of jazz, a bit of funk, all this kind of stuff. A nice variety of instruments as well.
I get to play a triangle and a drum, which is nice.
So there's an absolutely beautiful design by Hayley Grinzel, which has got lots of little treats and surprises in it for the audience.
Audiences can look forward to lots of running around.
It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be absolutely bonkers. But they can look forward to seeing me in a dress, so that's nice for them. Again, I don't want to give too much away.
And it all just fits into like a really great package.
A magical adventure with lots of familiar characters.
Organised chaos.
And really look for the messages that every character teaches Alice.
It's a family show, good for anyone really to come along, and if you enjoy something bonkers and something fast-paced and fun with a lot of music, then it's just for you.
Absolutely can't wait to welcome you to Sherman Theatre this Christmas to see Alice in Wonderland. Come along and have some fun, get small and get big.